occasion, I will explain about self-introduce, which occasion 3 types. Conversation. First conversation is interview conversation. Good morning everyone, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Hello, my name is Beningskar Ayu. I'm from Sidoarjo and my student ID number is 2514500 and 54. I have strong interest in logistic operation, supply chain management, and safety system within the oil and gas industry. During my studies, I have learned about material handling, transportation management, inventory, and logistic planning for oil and gas. I'm also involved in organization like a Himalop. There, I gain practical experience, problem solving, and responsibility. One of my strengths is my ability to adapt and learn quickly. I'm used to working in structured environments that require accuracy and discipline, which I believe essential qualities in logistics and oil and gas sector. I am also motivated to continuously improve my skill and knowledge. I'm very interested in this opportunity because it's aligned with academic background and career goals. I believe that this program will help me gain valuable experience and prepare me to contribute effectively to the oil and gas logistic industry in the future. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to learn and grow through this experience. Interview conversation is a formal and structured interaction used to evaluate a person's qualification, skills, and personality. It usually takes place during job application, internship, scholarship, or organizational selection. In this type of conversation, the interviewer asks specific questions, and the interviewer responds clearly and professionally. The language used is polite, formal, and well organized. Slang and casual expression are avoided. Answers are expected to be relevant, concise, and supported by real experience. Interviews are encouraged to explain their background, strengths, and problem solving abilities in a confident but respectful manner. An interview conversation also focus on communication, skills, attitude, and readiness for responsibility. Good eye contact, calm tone, and clear structure help create a positive impression. The main purpose of an interview conversation is not only to assess knowledge, but also to determine whether a candidate is suitable for the position or opportunity being offered. The second conversation is informal conversation. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Beningskar Ayu. I'm from Sidoarjo and my student ID number is 251450054. I am a student majoring in oil and gas logistic operation at PEM Akamigas and currently in 2025. I decided to take this major because I'm interested how to logistics support large-scale industry like oil and gas. For me, logistics is not about moving goods, but also about planning, safety, efficiency, and coordination in complex operation. As a student, I spend most of my time to learn about supply chain, transportation, and inventory management and safety in the oil and gas sector. Outside of class, I enjoy the atmosphere, which help me stay balanced and refreshed. I'm also active in Himalop, where I usually work with a team to handle tasks or projects. From this experience, I learned that communication and teamwork are very important, especially when working with the people with different backgrounds. I joined this organization because I want to gain the new experience, expand my network, and improve my skill as a logistics student. I'm excited to learn together and hopefully build good cooperation with all of you. Nice to meet you! An informal conversation is a relaxed, natural exchange between people who feel comfortable with each other. It usually happens among friends, classmates, or close colleagues and follow no strict rules. The language is conversational and often spontaneous. Speakers use contraction, colloquial expression, and incomplete sentence. It's common to hear laughter, interruption, and quick topic change. The primary purpose is social connection, sharing news, feelings, jokes, and everyday plans, rather than to record facts or make formal decisions. In informal speech, tone is friendly and warm, sentences are shorter, and grammar is flexible. Mistakes or slang don't break the flow. Body language and vocal cues like a smile or raised eyebrow carry a lot of meaning, and the context matter more than careful wording. People ask casual questions. How's everything? Or what did you do last weekend? An answer can be personal and narrative. Silence is comfortable, and small talk about weather, food, or hobbies is normal. When you participate in an informal conversation, focus on being genuine. Use simple phrases, show interest, and react naturally. If you are a student in logistics for oil and gas, an informal chat with a classmate might look like, "Hey, did you catch Prof. Amir's demo today?" That pipeline case worthwhile. The goal is rapport, building trust, and making. The third conversation is formal conversation. Good evening, respected lecturers and fellow students. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Beniskar Ayu, and I'm an undergraduate student majoring in oil and gas logistics at PEM Akamigas. Currently, I'm in my 2025, and it is an honor for me to have this opportunity to introduce myself. I chose oil and gas logistics as my field of study because I am interested in how the logistics system support the efficiency, safety, and sustainability of the oil and gas industry. I believe that logistics plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth flow of materials, equipment, and resources, especially in an industry with high operational risks and strict regulation. During my academic journey, I have studied various subjects related to supply chain management, transportation, warehouse, inventory control, and safety procedures in oil and gas operation. These courses have helped me understand the importance of accuracy, coordination, and compliance in logistic activities. Into academic learning, I am also involved in organization like a Himalog, where I have gained experience in teamwork, communication, and responsibility. Through this experience, I learned how to work under pressure, manage time effectively, and collaborate with others to achieve common goals. I believe that being a student in oil and gas logistics requires not only technical knowledge, but also discipline, integrity, and continuous learning. I hope that through this academic environment, I can continue to develop my skills and contribute positively to the industry and the future. Thank you very much for your attention. Goodbye. A formal conversation is structured, polite, and purpose driven. It takes place in professional or academic environments, meetings, seminars, presentation, or discussion with supervisors and professors. The language is precise and respectful. Speakers avoid slang and contraction, using full forms I am, we, have, observed, and correct grammar. The pace is measured. Speakers organize ideas clearly and often support the statement with fact or reference. In formal exchange, rules are defined. One person may lead the discussion, while others listen and contribute when give the floor. Turn taking is polite. Interruptions are minimal and often signal. Might I add something? The content centers on objective, data, outcomes, or policy. For example, in a logistic briefing about oil distribution, a formal comment might be, "Our analysis indicates a 12% reduction in transit time after route optimization, and I recommend implementing the new schedule next quarter." Characteristics include structure, opening and closing, remarks, clear topic sentence, and logical progression. Nonverbal cues are more restrained. The aim is clarity, credibility, and professionalism. To inform, persuade, or decide. When you speak formally, prepare your points. Speak with controlled volume and support claims with defense. Use polite discourse markers and avoid personal anecdotes unless directly relevant.